So you have a Google Pixel 10a and you have an issue where the screen is frozen or unresponsive. You're not able to swipe. Maybe you're stuck in an app and you're not able to restart or power down the standard way. Maybe you can't bring up the power off menu, or you tap on power off or restart and it doesn't do anything. Anyway, let's pretend I have a frozen screen here. Now what we want to do is force a restart. It's a 2-key combination. The power button and volume up. Press and hold both buttons, count to 15 seconds, and then let go. We'll do it together. Pretend my phone here is frozen. Power button, volume up. Ready, go. Press and hold and just count to 15. Ignore what's on the screen here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's about good. Now go ahead and let go. Now just wait for it to boot back up. If it doesn't boot back up after 20 seconds, then just press and hold that power button for a few seconds for it to boot back up, okay? Anyway, let's wait here, see if it turns on. If it doesn't, we'll just tap on that power button. Okay, there you go. So if it didn't turn on after 20 seconds, then I would just press and hold that power button until it boots back up again. But anyway, there you go. Now once this boots up, we should have a working screen, okay? If your screen gets frozen again, then just go ahead and do the force restart again. Pretty simple.